today magbibilan tayo ng ating router to accept. Actually, there are two networks na available using route ng MicroTech. Then using this small MicroTech, gagawa pa tayo. So we are using Huawei dito kasi para kikita natin sa inyo kung paano mag-ano ng Huawei. So what you need to first is to have it enabled sa system view para maano nyo. Then interface, tap nyo lang para makompleto. Yan, gigabit. Range of, meaning we are currently trying to have range, for example. Yan, yung 00 kailangan talaga yan. So ang kailangan natin is 1 to 4. For example, 1 to 4. Yan, 1, 2 gigabit, 0.0, 4, meaning interface from interface 1 to interface 4, i-access natin yan. Then port, link type, yan, link type access, meaning 1 to 4 is an access. Mamaya yung trunk, which is yung papasok, ito naman palabas, access yan. Yan, sinet natin to access link type. Then next is port, VLAN. VLAN, anong type of VLAN natin siya gustong paraanin? Now, I forgot. Cut ko lang kunin ko lang yung VLAN para sa specific na VLAN natin sa. So, we have here our cheat sheet na ginawa din natin for Huawei Common CLI. Available siya sa GitHub. Check on CCNA cheat sheet na ginawa natin. Ito yung profile natin. Yan, Cesar II De Castro. So, port default, sabi dito to create, parang Cisco lang din naman to, almost the same yung natin. To assign this to a VLAN, port default VLAN 10, since we are targeting the 10. Yan. So yung apat na port yan, 1 to 4 is assigned to a specific VLAN. Then we need to create, preferably we need to save this, pero since may gagawin pa tayong to create our port or trunk. Interface gigabit, again palagi yung ninyong gigabit, then mention the trunk port. So unang mo kasi is ito, since gagamitin natin yung SFE 425, yan, so we are currently on the SFE 25, so we need to set the link type to trunk. Trunk is basically papunta dyan yung VLAN traffic mo, so yan yung papasok mo. Port trunk allow pass, meaning you are allowing traffic of VLAN 10. So you can have multiple VLANs. For example, yan ginagawa sa mga call centers like VLAN 10 for data, VLAN 20 for voice. So ginagawa yan in one port. So nagkakaroon doon ng kayang magkaroon ng traffic sa isang so by using VLAN or virtual local area network. Yun. So last is to quit this. Then you can display VLAN, the configuration. VLAN. Yan, paano intindihan yan? So, kung nakikita nyo dito, TG, ito yung trunk gateway, I believe that's gateway. So, currently up siya sa port 25. Then, lahat ng GEO na yan is more yung for UT. So, basically, it's the access port that we've assigned. So, since we confirm na meron na yung mga yan na yan, we can now tweet muna dito para to make sure na save yung configuration natin. Click yes lang. So, pag na-save na yan, let's try to, pakita natin dito. IP config ngayon, sa virtual network na nasan ako ngayon, is technically, we are currently 10.10.1.5. But if we try to like insert our LAN, dapat yung IP ng gateway dyan. At dapat magka-internet tayo using that network. And sabi dito, hindi lang siya actually sa switch ginagawa, kundi nasa rin siya, nasa router na magbibigay ng traffic. So it's very important na sa router pa lang na-configure mo na ano yung mga VLAN na ibabato niya, like VLAN 10 for data, VLAN 20 for voice. And then you prepare naman, second is the switch. So yan naman yung kailangan mo na i-allow mo sa isang port or sa isang single port ang data lang or data plus voice or whatever ng mga traffic na gusto mong dumaan dyan and so on. So for example, you can also set sa switch yung mga port security and so on. So yun lang sana natutunan nyo. So hindi mahirap ang mag-VLAN sa switch. So kung basic setup lang naman, madali lang siya actually gawin. And this is it for VLAN tagging sa network switch using console. Ang device na ginamit natin is Huawei. And see you in the next video.
IT Man PH, like, comment, and follow.